Welcome to RSP Dentistry. Today, we will discuss about a patient case of multiple space closure, which was done with composite. A young female patient came to clinic with complaint of multiple space between her upper front teeth. She had a history of failed orthodontic treatment twice and was not willing to undergo ortho treatment again. This is the pre-operative smile of the patient. I hope you can appreciate the multiple spaces between the anterior teeth from this image. Space was present in both upper and lower arch. Rubber dam isolation was done, sandblasted, and teeth are now ready to bond. I decided to use freehand front wing technique in this case. You can see the front wings in this photo. The sectional matrices are placed to complete the restoration. The composite restoration is now complete. This is the immediate post-operative view. Immediate post-operative smile. The patient came for review after 4 days. All spaces between teeth has been restored with composite. Post-operative smile after 4 days. You can see the change before and after treatment. Before and after smile of the patient. Night guards were also given to prevent further tooth movement. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.